They always say the rich have secret hacks, but let me let you in on a little truth. There is no secret. Building an emergency fund isn't magic. It's math, mindset, and a system. It's like building a brick wall, one brick at a time. Slow, steady, solid. And by the time life tries to knock you down, you realize you built yourself a fortress. This is Fourth Alotho, where we save smart, invest small, and grow big. Let's break it down. Let's start with pay yourself first. Saving money feels hard because we try to rely on willpower. But willpower is like a cell phone battery, strong in the morning, dead by the afternoon. So instead, you automate it. YNAB is clutch for this. It lets you assign every dollar a job, including the job of protecting future you. Set your emergency fund category, automate transfers, and boom, you're saving without thinking. It's like making your money behave automatically. Second position is treat it like a bill. See, the problem is we treat savings like an optional thing, but your emergency fund should be like rent, non-negotiable, mandatory, automatic. Rocket Money helps here too. It finds the subscriptions you forgot you were paying for and cancels the ones draining your wallet silently. Every dollar you save from that, straight into the emergency fund. Cut the waste, grow the safety. You have to start small, grow big. People quit because they want to save $5,000 instantly. No, start with $5, $10, whatever you can. Savings is like going to the gym. It's not the weight, it's the consistency. Hit your first $100. Momentum builds motivation. Remember, found money is equals to freedom money. Tax refunds, side gig money, birthday cash from grandma. Most people blow it, but you're different. You're building a buffer between you and disaster. Send found money straight to your emergency fund. Future you will thank you louder than anyone at your birthday dinner. Make income work for you. Let's say you're already saving. Now it's time to make that money stretch. When you've built your starter emergency fund, $1,000 or so, switch gears and start planting seeds. Acorns, Fundrise, Magnifi, Wealthfront, each one lets you grow your extra dollars automatically. Acorns rounds up spare change you won't even miss. Magnifi helps you explore investment ideas with AI guidance. Fundrise lets you tap into real estate even if you don't have big money. Wealthfront, a set-it-and-forget-it wealth-building machine. Think of it like gardening. Your emergency fund is the soil, your investments are the seeds. You need both. Cutting back without feeling broke. People hear cut expenses and think it means struggle. Nah, it just means stop paying for stuff you don't use. Rocket Money again, perfect for this. It exposes those sneaky streaming services and gym memberships collecting dust. Every dollar saved becomes another brick in your emergency fortress. Where should the money live? Your emergency fund should be safe, liquid, accessible, not tied to the stock market roller coaster. That's why most people keep it in a high-yield savings account. A money market account? Think of it like keeping a fire extinguisher by the door, not locked in the attic. How much should you save? Start small, $1,000 starter fund. Then build 2, 3, and 6 months of essential expenses. Self-employed or variable income? You might want 9 to 12 months stored. Not because you expect disaster, but because peace of mind is priceless. If you want the tools that make saving automatic and building wealth inevitable, here they are again. YNAB, control your money. Rocket Money, cut waste instantly. Magnifi, invest smarter with guidance. Acorns, invest spare change. Fundrise, real estate for everybody. Wealthfront, automated long-term wealth building. Your emergency fund is the first step from surviving to thriving. And like everything we do here at Fourth Alotho, we keep it simple, smart, and low cost. Because the goal isn't just to make money, it's to make money make sense.